Hi kids, welcome to Kindergarten with Teacher Villar.
Hi kids! Good morning and welcome back to my lesson video in math. Well, right now you already know how to count from 1 to 100, right? And you also now know how to compare numbers already and order numbers as well. So right now we are going to learn another lesson in math. So what are you waiting for? Get ready with your looking eyes, your listening ears, and your hands that are kept, and let's start. Hi kids, good morning, and here we are again to learn another lesson in math. Now yesterday in our reading subject, we went to the carnival, right, with our friend James. Now today in our math lesson, we are going to see or to take a look at what he bought when he was in the carnival. He bought popcorn and hot dog and ice cream. What else? He bought burgers and donuts and more popcorns as well. So right now you can see that the things or the food that he bought donuts and hot dog buns and fries and moon cakes. Oh, they're so delicious. Popcorn, ice cream, and pretzel sticks. And not just only one, he did not bought only one, but many of them. So right now I need your help to count how many food did he buy during his stay at the carnival. Now counting large numbers is easier if you group them by tens and ones. Again, counting large numbers is easier if you group them by tens and ones. Now, so that we can understand it clearly, I am going to introduce to you something. It is the place value. Now, each number has its own place value, like the tens and ones. Again, tens and ones. Now, we can see right here that the tens is number 1 and the ones place is the 5. Okay, again, this is the tens place and this is the ones place. Now, when we put them together, the number is 15. Okay, so as you can see, 1 and 5. This is the tens place and this is the ones place. Okay, how about this one? 2 and 3. What do you think is the number? The tens place is the 2 and the ones place is the number 3. The number is 23. Very good. Now, how about this one? What is the number? The tens place is number 8 and in the ones place is the number 2. What do you think is the number? The number is 82. Very good. So it's just like we're gonna separate them. So this is the tens place. There, tens place, and this is the ones place. Okay, there you go. So tens place and then the ones place. Now, so that we can understand it better, I have here apples, a group of apples and individual apples as well. So right now, we are going to count how many group of tens are there and how many individual apples are there or single apples are there. Okay, so now let's count this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now this is a group of 10 apples. Okay, how many group of 10 apples are there? Group of 10 apples. There's only one group of apples of 10 apples. So I'm going to put here 1, okay, in the tens place because there's only one group of 10. Now, how many single apples are there? Let's count, okay? 1 and 2. Very good. So how many ones place are there? How many one or how many single apples are there? There are 2 single apples, so that means the number is 12. So how many apples are there? There are 12 apples. Now how about let's count if it's really 12. 1, 2. Okay, let me erase that one first so that we can count better. Okay, this is, let's count everybody. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's right. We have 12 apples all in all. Now, how about this one? How many group of 10 apples are there? Again, a group of 10 apples. How many group of 10 apples are there? So we have here, okay, we have here 1 group of 10 apples and 2 group of 10 apples. So how many group of 10 apples are there? There are, let's count, 1 and 2. So I'm gonna put it here in the tens place, okay? 2 groups of apples, of 10 apples. Now, how many single apples are there? Or how many 1 apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 ones, and the number is 23. So there are 23 apples all in all. Now, how about this one? Oh, how many group of 10 apples are there? Okay, let's count, okay? 1 group of 10 apples, 2 group of 10 apples, and 3. Okay, so how many group of 10 apples are there? Let's count. This is 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna put it here in the tens place. 3 tens. Okay, now how about single apples or 1 apples? Are there? How many 1 apples are there? Let's count. 1 and 2. So I'm gonna put 2 right here. So we have 32 apples all in all, diba? It's just so easy to count large numbers if we count it by tens and ones. Okay, so now, to understand it better, I have this one right here. Okay, everybody? Okay, so now I have here. So, how many group of 10 donuts are there? How many group? So, let's count. This is 1 group of 10. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here, 1. And then how many single donuts are there? There's only 1. Good job, everybody. So 1. So the number is 11. Good job, everybody. So we have 11. Now, how about this one? We have hot dog buns. Now, how many group of hot dog buns are there? There is only 1 group of 10 hot dog buns. So, I'm gonna put here 1. And then, how many single hot dog buns are there? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. So, I'm gonna put it here 3. Good job, everybody. Now, how about... Okay, so the number is 13. Very good. So we have 13 hot dog buns all in all. Now, how about this one? Oh, ice cream. They look so delicious. Wow, that's a very tall ice cream cone, right? Okay, so now, how many group of 10s are there in the ice cream? So, let's count how many group of 10s. 1 and 2. So how many group of 10s are there? There are 2. So I'm gonna put 2 right here. And now how many single ice cream scoops are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 single ice cream scoops. So that means all in all, we have 27 ice cream scoops. Very good, everybody. Now, how about this one? Oops. Let's count how many group of popcorns are there. Popcorns. Okay, so this is another 10. Okay, another 10 right here. And then another group of 10 popcorns. Okay, so let's count, okay? This is 1 group of 10. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so how many groups of 10s do we have here? We have 3 group of 10s. Okay, now how about the single popcorns? How many? There's 1 and 2. So I'm gonna put 2 right here. So the number is 32. We have 32 popcorns all in all. Good job, everybody. So now how about this one? Oh, these are pepero sticks. Oh, delicious, right? So there's one group of 10 right here, another group of 10 right here, and another group of 10, and another group of 10. So let's count how many group of 10s are there. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so 4 10s. Okay, good job. Now how about this one? Let's count how many single pepero sticks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have 5 right here. So how many pepero sticks do we have all in all? Put the numbers together and we will have 45. Good job, everybody. Now how about this one? We have here French fries. Yummy. Okay, now this is a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'm gonna put here 5 because we have 5 group of 10s. Now how about this one? The ones. Let's count how many single fries there are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have, how many fries do we have all in all? We have 55. Good job, kids. Now how about this one? Oh, mooncakes. These mooncakes are so delicious, right? So we have one group of 10 right here, another group of 10, and another group of 10. So how many group of 10s do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 groups of 10s for mooncake. So I'm gonna put here 3. Now how many single mooncakes do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9. So 3 and 9. How many mooncakes do we have all in all? We have, put them together and we will have 39. Good job, everybody. Now, how about this one? We're back at donuts again. So, how many group of 10s are there? Let's count. So, only one group of 10s. Now, do we have single donuts right here? Do we have single donuts? No, we don't, right? So, we're going to put 0 because we have no single donuts here. So put them all together. How many donuts do we have? We have 10 donuts. Now how about this one? How many group of ice cream do we have, or ice cream scoops do we have? Group of 10s. How many group of 10s do we have here? We have, let's count. 1 and 2. Good job, everybody. So we have 2 group of 10. So I'm gonna put 2 here. Now, do we have single scoops right here in the ones place? No, right? So I'm gonna put 0. So 2 and 0, how many ice cream scoops do we have all in all? Put them together. We have 20 ice cream scoops. So thank you so much, everyone, for counting the food which James bought when he was in the carnival. It's so many, right? Well, I think he's going to give that to his classmates too. Okay, thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today. I hope you have learned something new. Good job, kids, and thank you so much for joining me today in our math lesson video. See you tomorrow!
Goodbye, kids, and see you tomorrow!